Anybody that wanted to make that under eye dark circle, if you guys got oranges, do not throw away the peels, guys. Grind up them oranges, and we're going to let this dry out, and this will help with the natural lightener. If you see, I'm grinding it up. It's going to take days to dry. So when it dry up, you can use this in some sweet almond oil, guys, and it will help lighten up the dark circles around your eyes. So don't throw it away, guys. Keep this, keep the orange. You can eat the orange, but keep the peel, guys. And I grind it up, and we're gonna let it dry. And then I showed you guys already how to do the syrup, but I had ordered dry orange peels from India. So, but you guys can do it yourself. It's gonna take a little longer, and you guys seen I also dried it in the oven. So now I'm just gonna put this in a nice cool place, and I'm gonna let it dry, guys. Alrighty, bye-bye. I smash it down like this, and then we're going to put it in a cool place to dry. I'm gonna put what is it called? Jesus, my mind can't even think. Let me get it. I'm having a brain freeze. We're gonna take the wax paper and cover it up so don't no dust or nothing get in it, and we're gonna let this dry. Don't let the plastic cover it because we want it to breathe. So I just take the plastic wrap and the plastic wrap on the bottom, and I just take this cook wrap, guys, sheet of cookie paper, and then I'm just gonna let this dry, and then when it dry, guys, it'll be ready. So yeah, we gotta let it totally dry. Alrighty, guys, that's how you make your own orange peel. Alrighty.